How is it going, everybody? You're watching Denable Tech, and today I have a quick little video for you guys, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. Today I'm gonna teach you how to check your iPhone battery life, so the battery percentage on your Apple Watch. It's just a quick little trick, but it's amazing. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so in order to do that, we're gonna need to download an app, okay, to check our iPhone battery life on the Apple Watch, but don't worry because the app is 100% free, so everyone can do it, okay? You don't need to pay anything. And in order to download the app on the Apple Watch, so we're gonna need to go to the App Store app, like that, okay? This application. So then it's just your normal step. So go to search, and then you choose which method you want, and then I'm gonna go for Scribble. It's gonna be difficult to scribble like that, but let's see if I can do it. And then we're gonna need to scribble for charge. Okay, I'm gonna put a link in the description. I'm gonna put the name on the screen and everything like that. So then there's just charge. Okay, so then done, and then it's gonna look for it. And then as you guys can see, charge. So it's gonna say battery life, that's the name, and that's the icon battery life right there. So then you just go ahead and download it. I have previously downloaded that, that's why you're gonna see the cloud logo, but then trust me, it is free, okay? So just download it, it's gonna take a few seconds. It's a very short, very small app, and then you're gonna need to make sure that the application is opened on the iPhone for the first time, just for the first setup, okay? So just put your iPhone on the side right here, and then get your iPhone, and then I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, okay? And then let's check it out. So just look for charge. It should download automatically. There you have it, battery life. It should download automatically. As soon as you download on the Apple Watch, it should download here, okay? So just open the application, and then it's gonna say that, like runtime, whatever. You don't need to do anything. You just need to open it once, okay? And then you don't need your iPhone anymore. Just, you can leave your iPhone right there. So then let's have a look at our Apple Watch again. And then we're pretty much good to go. We can already go ahead, look for the app. It should be downloaded somewhere around here. There you have it. So charge, and then you can check the iPhone, the Apple Watch, or raw data. What you want to do is check iPhone, tap here, and there you have it. So battery charge, and then it's going to say 66%. Let's see if that's correct. Let's just check. And then as you guys can see right here, 66%. Perfect. So I can check finally my iPhone battery life, so my iPhone battery status, straight from my Apple Watch. As you guys can see, it is dynamic, it's always going to be updated, it's always going to show the correct percentage of your iPhone battery life. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I just wanted to show you this awesome trick because it can be very useful, especially if you have your iPhone charging on another room or something, or it's not on you and you want to check the battery real quick. You can just go ahead and check with charge. Unfortunately, you cannot add a complication here like that. So add a complication to your Apple Watch on a watch face or something. Unfortunately, you cannot do that. So every time you want to check your iPhone battery, you have to go to the app, open the app, and have a look. But honestly, it's going to take you like 3 seconds to do that. And again, it's a free application, so you can't expect a lot. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also hit the comment box down below and tell me what you thought. I'm always replying everybody. And also hit the subscribe button and with a little bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. That really means a lot to me, guys. So that's pretty much it, and I'll be back in a couple days. Bye bye.